Hello everyone, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So this time CGI is hiring for the role of SAE, that means Associate System Engineer. So don't think that SAE means Associate, uh, you can say Software Engineer, because for Accenture SAE stands for Associate Software Engineer, but for CGI it is Associate System Engineer, which is applicable for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, I am requesting all of you, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely updates regarding latest off campus. And also in the previous video or in our last video we discussed about Wipro PL/SQL developer off campus drive. So go through the link, because in that previous video we discussed about the eligibility criteria, application process and the selection process, how they will be selecting the people. And yeah, it is for the 0 to 1 year of experienced candidates. That means fresh graduates can apply for this off campus irrespective of their year of pass out and the branch. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of CGI. They're hiring for the SAE, Associate System Engineer, and category is the infrastructure or cloud, and city or the job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Then employment type is the full time. So now let's discuss about the key responsibilities, or you can say the position description. So general IT infrastructure system administration work focus on the installation, configuration and the maintenance of the IT system software and the hardware for the multi-user server computers or the personal computing devices, including meeting end user needs by the ensuring the update performance, etc. So later you can go through the other position descriptions. For the timing we are skipping this part. So other things like response to the requests for the technical assistance by the following up the prescribed procedures, etc. So these are the key things. And yeah, one important thing I need to highlight here, yeah, knowledge of the customer service principles and the practices like ITNL or the ITIL, ITSM, etc. Knowledge of the IT application systems and the networks, problem and the analytical skills or the problem solving skills, learning adaptability and the attention to the details. So these are the key skills required for this off campus. So they have not specified any year of pass out criteria or the batch criteria here. That means fresh graduates can apply for this off campus, yeah, if the candidate has the experience minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience in the related field, definitely they'll be getting the more preferences. But if you're a fresh graduate, you don't have any experience, then you can apply for this off campus, because they have not specified any year of pass out or you can say the experience criteria here. That means all are welcome. That means fresh graduates are also welcome for this off campus. So now let's discuss what are the required qualifications to be successful in this role. Worked as a service desk or the help desk support technicians as a level 1 technicians within his or her team, handling the calls in an international or global kind, preferred North American or the European experience. So now let's discuss about the skills required. Communication skill, oral as well as the written or the verbal communication skill, customer service and support, problem solving and the decision making. So anyone can apply for this off campus, because they have asked for the basic skills here: problem solving, good communication skills, customer service experience, etc. And what you can expect from us: build your career with us, etc., etc. You can go through this later by yourself, so no need to again repeat all these things. So if you are interested for this off campus, simply click on the I am interested option here. So we have already discussed about the CGI application process in our previous videos. The application process is same for the each job profiles, you can say it is like of the previous one. Only you need to simply click on the I am interested, then it will take you to the career portal. There you need to log in into their official website or the official career portal or the page. Then only you will be able to apply for this off campus. So it's a easy process, so that's why I am skipping this part. So let me tell you one thing, it is very much important, because I have seen that most of the candidates say like I have applied for this off campus, although I was you can say uh, my profile was matching, or I was eligible for this off campus, but still they are not sending me the shortlisting mail. to us or any other regret mail. So CGI generally what happens, if your profile meets the eligibility criteria, then only they will be sending you the you can say the you can say the test link or the interview invitation. Otherwise they will be sending you the regret mail after once the registration window or the registration process is closed. Then the evaluation or the profile screening will happen. So after that you'll be getting the result whether your profile is shortlisted or not. As per your shortlist, or you can say as per your result or screening, you will be getting whether the you are eligible for the next round. So the first round will be the written test, some kind of technical coding questions will be there, followed by the technical round and the HR managerial round. So totally there will be 3 to 4 rounds of interview process. If you finally being shortlisted for this off campus or for this job profile, they will be sending you the offer letter. So this is all about the whole selection process. So I hope you all are able to understand the selection process and the application process. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask in the comment section below. Any year of pass out candidates can apply for this off campus, no issues. Any BTech, MSc, MTech, etc. candidates can apply, no problem. I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply for this off campus as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.